In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend DocuSign document. If someone missed their signing email, deleted it by mistake, or just needs another nudge, resending is a quick way to get your agreement back on track without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard for sending and managing envelopes. The layout may vary slightly depending on your account, but you'll see the primary navigation where you manage active documents. Next, click on Agreements. This area is your command center for everything you've sent or are tracking. You'll find items that are in progress, waiting for others, completed or voided. If you have a lot of activity, feel free to use the search bar or status filters to quickly narrow things down to the agreement you're looking for. This helps ensure you're working with the correct document before you take any action. Now, locate the specific agreement you want to resend. Click directly on the title or the highlighted row to select it and bring up its details. Take a second to confirm you've got the right one by glancing at the recipient list and current status. This quick check helps prevent accidental notifications. If multiple recipients are involved, note who has already completed their part and who is still pending. With the agreement selected, click Resend. You'll typically find this in the Action menu, sometimes displayed as a button, other times within a three-dot menu next to the document or in the Details panel. When you click Resend, DocuSign sends a fresh notification to any recipients who still need to take action. In some accounts, you may see a field to include a short message. If it appears, use it to add helpful context like a friendly reminder or a due date. Keep it clear and professional. After you resend, watch the status in the Agreements area for confirmations or activity updates. Recipients usually receive the email within a few minutes. If they don't see it, have them check spam or promotions folders and ensure their mail server allows DocuSign messages. If the resend option is unavailable, the agreement might already be completed or voided, or you may not have permission to manage that envelope. Resending won't undo any signatures already captured. It simply prompts outstanding recipients to finish. And that's it. Go to DocuSign, open Agreements, select the right document, and click Resend. Quick, clean, and effective.